Hey, I'm here today to give you a review, not so much on the Kindle Fire, but the cord for the charging of the Kindle Fire. I like this, but I do not like that little cord that comes with it. It's very small, and I can't always find it because it's an unusual adapter on the end, and it doesn't, I can't find it half the time. So I decided to buy this one, and there's a couple features on it I like. First off, I like that it's really long, and it has these red tips, easy to find and identify that this is the one that fits the Kindle, not one of the million white ones. But also it has, as you can see here, it has two tips on it. It has this one, and then it has this one. I don't know exactly what this one works. This first one is what works in my Kindle. I purchased numerous cords trying to find one that will fit in my Kindle. Even though they say they fit, you get them home and they don't fit. And then you go through the hassle of trying to return it. But this one, oops, wrong end. This one definitely fits, and it charges. If you are tired of that little tiny cord that comes with your Kindle, this one is much longer. You are not restrained by the length of your cord. You have much more room to move around with this one. That is just my honest opinion.